Nafeesat, you were one of the students attending a workshop today on the development of concrete, high-strength concrete using bio-based materials, and we were working in group workshops, and I've seen that all the students were working with a lot of enthusiasm. In your opinion, what do you think is the most important things that are lacking in terms of facilities here in the laboratories, in the education as a student? What would you wish for to get a better education?
Yeah, in my own opinion, I think we need more facilities for us to create an enabling environment for us to be able to, like as engineers, be able to relate what we see outside there on field with what we can see in class. Because when you are seeing something in the practical sense, you get it better. You can relate it and you get it better. You're able to assimilate and relate better.
And now we were talking about concrete. What do you think in terms of concrete equipment, laboratory equipment, which would be the most important thing that would be required?
I think most important we need just few facilities like the weighing scale, the mixer, the compacting, this compacting machine, the slump cone, and so many other facilities.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.